So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, World Car List. So in this video, I am going to share the all-new 2025 Dacia Duster. So Dacia is famous for its two budget-friendly cars. They used a cost-effective CMF-B vehicle platform for their models, and including the Logan sedan, Sandero hatchback, and the Jogger crossover MPV wagon, and the soon-to-be released the third-generation Duster. So this choice of platform helped Dacia maintain its reputation for making affordable cars, especially outside Romania. So the third generation Duster is expected to be unveiled globally on November 29. It's getting a major updates and leaked design sketch. So some of the changes test version of this mid-size SUV have been being tested in different countries. And Europe, the Duster is sold under the Dacia brand, but in the other countries it is sold as a Renault, which is Dacia parent company. The design sketch give us a peek at what the new Duster will look like, suggesting a fresh and modern style. The upcoming Renault Duster is based on the Dacia Bigster SUV concept from a few years ago. It keeps a similar shape but has some exciting new element, and the front of the car has been redesigned with a rectangular headlights and have Y-shaped LED headlights. So it connected LED strips run across the bonnet, adding a modern touch, while a unique DC logo in the center gives a distinctive look. The design sketch also shows a strong front bumper with a bass plate and square fog light. The side of the car features flared with a wheel arch cladding on the door sills and a flat roof line that might have a luggage crack. A standout feature is a spare wheel mounted on the tailgate, which might only be available in the certain market. The Y-shaped LED elements are also used a tail lights, enhancing the car overall appearance. So as the third generation Duster, from the design sketch to the final production model, it is certain how many of these design elements will kept with its expected new looks continues focused on the affordability, and the upcoming Duster aims to stand out in the competitive SUV market. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want a more updated news, so please subscribe our World Car List YouTube channel.